And back at it again. I've organized this because today it's time to tear apart the motor. So I already got the harmonic balancer up, and we're gonna start getting the timing cover off, valve covers, intake manifold, AC compressor, all of that stuff, it's all coming off. Heads will probably be off today, and then we'll see where the failure point on the head gaskets were. And we'll also probably try and clean this up a little bit. So I'm gonna just get to work, and maybe I'll do a little time lapse here. All right, I think I got everything, so now it's time for the intake manifold to come off. Just like that. Easy as pie. One step closer. Ooh, nice. Well, this is going smoothly. Maybe I'll even have this done by New England Forest Rally and I can drive this car up there. All right, here comes head number one. Oh, that just fell down. I just remembered that I need to take off the that. So I'll get back when I get that off. I just don't want it to fall off while I'm taking these out. Oh, I should probably move this. It falls right on my head. Ew. I'm gonna bet it's this one that's failed. Stay. What did I miss? I didn't miss anything, it's just on there. I'm gonna grab this with gross hands and just... Tool abuse. I guess I need the mallet.
Well, hammering against the battery of a tool.
Alright, here we go. They should not be on this hard. Yeah,
You're dripping.
Yeah, I know. Because this side came off.
That's
but... There we go. Yep. This is going everywhere but. What is it on? Oh, why is it so tight? This is definitely... Oops, sorry. Alright, it might be on the back side, but that right there is missing a lot of the... Actually, there's a lot more carbon right here. I think that might be it. Let me try and drain this. side looks all right too. No burnt valves, thank goodness. This is, see, cylinder, I think this is cylinder 3. It runs the most lean out of all of them because it gets fuel and coolant last. I'm out of space.
Put it face to face on this one.
I guess the gasket doesn't really matter and they're gonna get resurfaced, so.
Engine. Now made the world's shortest short block.
Yeah. It's a head block. Oh yeah, yeah. Pretty sure that's where it was, because there shouldn't be exhaust gaskets here. Gaskets. And I'm pretty sure there's carbon buildup in the coolant passages, so yeah, you can see it leaking down here. So that's where the leak was. I was right. I'm happy that I was right. Yep. Alright, well, now those have to go off to a machine shop.
Once again, the cylinder boards look pretty nice.
Yeah, so the short block itself is very good. So I might just be ending the video here. I just wanted to get the heads off today and get those off to a machine shop. So I may put clips at the end of this. If not, then see you guys in the next video. Well, the transmission is still in the car and I have to go home, so I'll have to continue this another day. We cannot get the axles out, so we're gonna have to figure out something how to do that. It's my nice stainless exhaust. I got the protective cover and the carrier bearing bolts out, soaked everything in PB, and I think that's where we're gonna leave it off. So, oh, Eric also cleaned the engine a little bit. So this is basically ready to go back together, and then we'll clean the thing more. Yeah, that's where we're at. Not as much progress as I expected, but sometimes that's how it goes. So I will revisit this in the next video. Till then, I will see you guys. Well, I just picked up the heads from Nashua Engine Rebuilders. There's the address and their phone number. Can't recommend them enough for their services. They got it done quickly and cost a whopping $105 to get these remachined and to get them soaked and cleaned. And what's your name, sir?
My name is Mark. I'm the owner.
This is Mark. He's the owner of Nashua Engine Rebuilders. So
thank you very much.
Anything you guys need, they'll get it done for you. And they have good prices and good turnaround times if you're in a rush. So I can't recommend them enough.